think we got on the wrong train.
How wrong is it, Dad?
Completely wrong. We're lost.
Dad, look! There's a cow outside the window!
Saturday morning at the Harrison house. Everyone was ready for a big trip.
I've got my museum map ready. I'm gonna draw all the dinosaur bones.
All right, listen up, everyone. The train leaves at 18:15. We'll arrive at 10:30. 10:30. It's a perfect plan without any mistakes.
Did you check the platform number carefully? He always says it's a perfect plan.
Platform number 7. I checked it 3 times. I checked it 3 times already.
Good job.
I'm a very organized man today.
Attention all passengers.
The central station was very crowded.
Follow me, guys! Keep up the pace!
Stay close to us, kids.
Wow, that smells delicious!
Oh my goodness, garlic butter sausages. Give me 1 sec, guys. I have to get one.
Nick, the train is leaving soon.
Just a minute. I'll be super fast. Done! Let's go, team. We still have plenty of time. Train 405 leaving at platform 6 in 2 minutes.
Did they just say 2 minutes?
Oh no! Oh no! Run! Everyone run now!
Wait for Anna, Nick!
My legs are tired! My legs are tired!
Hurry up! Don't stop! Hurry up!
Don't stop! I'm running as fast as I can!
There it is! This is our train! Get in! Get in!
We actually did it!
We did it!
The sausages are safe. I'm a running champion.
Nick. What platform number is on our tickets?
Platform 7. Platform 7. Why?
Then which platform did we just run onto?
Please tell me it says 7. Oh. Platform 6. I think we just jumped on the wrong train.
Where's this train going, Dad?
To the city center, of course. I hope.
I told him not to buy those sausages.
It says we're going to Millbrook Junction.
Millbrook Junction?
Where's that? A rural farming town. Population, 200 people and 3,000 sheep. This is the apocalypse of our trip. The tall buildings are gone. We're in the middle of nowhere. Dad, look! There's a cow outside the window.
Welcome to Millbrook Junction.
This station is tiny.
Well, here we are.
No museums here.
Look at the fluffy sheep. He looks like a cotton ball.
This map is useless now.
My museum list is useless too.
Bah!
Bah!
Are you mad at me, honey?
I'm too tired to be mad.
Do you folks need a hand? You look a bit lost. I'm George, the owner of this farm.
Hi, I'm Nick. We took the wrong train. We have to wait 2 hours for the next train.
2 hours is a long time.
A real farm?
I've got horses, cows, and tons of sheep.
Never! But I want to try. Mom, please, let's stay here.
Well, the museum can wait. Let's explore the farm, guys.
Can I ride a horse, please?
Have you ever ridden one, young man?
The farm was beautiful and peaceful. The air smelled like fresh grass.
Meet Biscuit. He's a good boy. Up you go, Tom.
Wow, it's so high up here.
Just hold on tight.
This is way better than a museum. This is awesome! Oh, nothing happened.
Try again. You can do it.
I did it! I got milk!
I made a stupid mistake today.
Yes, you did.
But this turned out to be amazing, right?
Yes, it's absolutely perfect, Nick. Eat up, everyone. Fresh from the farm. This looks so good.
This milk tastes completely different.
Because it's 100% fresh.
Daisy made it, but I helped.
Not many tourists come to our small town. They all prefer the big city.
We wanted to go to the museum too.
But a real horse is better than dinosaur bones, right?
This is the best family dinner ever, ever!
I am so glad you are all here today.
Our train's here. Time to go.
Goodbye, Daisy. Thanks for the yummy milk. Did you hear that, Mom? She said goodbye to me.
The train rolled back towards the city. They watched the farm disappear.
Dad, can we catch the wrong train again next weekend?
We'll take the right train to this wrong place. It was a beautiful afternoon, full of peace and nature.
The best adventures in life are often completely unplanned.
P.S. Don't buy sausages when the train is leaving. Thank you for watching.